Hello guys, in this video we will see what is dev error stays in COD Warzone and how to fix it. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started.
Pod understanding dev errors. Intent dev errors that is a common and frustrating error encountered by players in Call of Duty, Warzone, typically manifesting as the game freezing and then crashing to disk. This error is almost exclusively client-side, meaning it's an issue with your local system or game installation rather than game servers. It frequently points to problems related to graphics drivers, corrupted game files, insufficient system resources, particularly RAM, or conflicts with other software running in the background. Recognizing it as a local system issue is the first step towards effective troubleshooting. Update graphics drivers. Content outdated, corrupted, or incompatible graphics drivers are a primary culprit behind dev errors that has both NVIDIA and infrequently released driver updates that include performance optimizations and bug fixes for popular games like Warzone. To fix this, download and install the latest drivers directly from your graphics card manufacturer's website or through their respective software. NVIDIA, GeForce Experience, or Radiant software. It is often recommended to perform a clean installation of the drivers, which removes previous driver components and prevents potential conflicts after updating. Always restart your before launching Warzone.
Tip: verify game file integrity. Reinstall shaders. Content corrupted or missing game files can lead to instability and crashes, often triggering dev errors, as the Battle.net launcher has a built-in scan and repair tool that can automatically check your Warzone installation for integrity issues and replace any damaged files. Access this by selecting Warzone in the launcher, clicking Options, and choosing Scan and Repair. Additionally, in-game shader files can become corrupted, causing visual glitches or crashes. To address this, navigate to Warzone's in-game settings, then to the Graphics tab and select Restart Shader. Preload all of the shaders to fully reinstall before attempting to play.
Adjust in-game graphics settings. Resource management. Content dev errors that frequently indicates that your system, specifically your RAM is being overtaxed. Reducing certain graphics settings can alleviate this strain. Lower settings such as texture resolution, render resolution, ensure it's edible on or less, shadow quality, and particle quality. If enabled, disable ray tracing as it consumes significant resources. Furthermore, ensure you close all unnecessary background applications, web browsers, and streaming software while playing Warzone to free up system memory and push cycles. Check your Windows Task Manager for any ROG applications consuming excessive resources. Advanced troubleshooting. Windows updates BIOS and profiled content. Less common but impactful causes of dev errors can be an outdated Windows operating system or unstable memory configurations. Ensure your Windows OS is fully updated by checking for updates in your system settings, as Microsoft often releases stability and compatibility patches for users with extreme memory profiles enabled in their BIOS. This can sometimes lead to system instability. If the RAM is not entirely stable at the advertised speeds, or if the motherboard has compatibility quirks, consider entering your BIOS, usually by pressing Del or F during startup, and temporarily disabling SIM or setting it to a lower profile HMI instead of SIMI to test for memory-related stability issues. Always exercise caution when making changes in the BIOS.